Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please consider joining my YouTube family and press the subscribe button. I do put videos out on Sundays and Thursdays every week regarding Lux Life and anything girly. So guys, for today's video, I wanted to give you an update on my Alma BB and empreinte cream. I've had her for about 6 weeks and I wanted to do a quick what's in my bag. So I have been using this bag for work and actually took it shopping yesterday, and I found myself very comfortable with the bag. The strap itself, although I have her quite full right now and I have no idea what's in here, the strap is pretty comfortable, and I wore it crossbody. I did keep it in the front of my body just so it doesn't rub around everywhere. I went Christmas shopping yesterday and this was the bag that I had, and I was at the department store for about 2 hours. So the corners are still pristine. So I don't see any weird damage. I have not sprayed this bag with Colonel. I do plan to spray her because I just got a new bottle, so I will feature that in a different video. So right now, she is pretty full and she's not warped at all. I don't have an organizer in this bag because I pretty much keep a lot of items in my SLGs, so that works out really well. Let's open her up. I don't keep the key on the locks just because I don't want it dangling around, and I don't really lock my bag. So just for looks purposes, there are days that I keep it on there, but otherwise I don't. So right now, off the bat, bag is looking full. Let's pull out the first item, and this item is on the pocket portion of the bag. This one is, it's a sample makeup wipe that I got. I usually keep one of these in my bags. Otherwise, I have I forgot what brand they are. I'll put the brand up here, a picture of it. But I'll usually keep a little packet in my bag just in case I want to remove some makeup. All right, so that's it for that pocket. I still have these in there. I probably should put those somewhere else. All right, so as far as one of the bigger items, let me fix that. All right, so as far as the bigger items, I pulled 2 out. So I have my mini pochette that has some cash in there, AirPods Pro, lippies and atomizer, tampon for cash, and my contacts, hair ties, and another lip gloss. So that's what was in my mini pochette. And the key pouch or the key play just has a bunch of cards that I normally carry with me just in case I go to those retail stores, discount cards and things like that. Right, so we've taken out some space. My cell phone, iPhone X. It's an iPhone X. And then I've got my Agenda PM, and I don't have a pen in here. I should get one of those skinny pens. If you guys have any recommendations for the skinny pens that go through this, please let me know down in the description box. I would love to know. And then I've got my work key. Then this is my key clay that has my husband's key fob. I also have another work key there and my house key. I like to keep this one separate just so it's easier to remove. This one I have to open and close, but sometimes I do forget this one. So then I have this for a backup. All right, what else do we have in here? My Cles charge card. Oh, so this is something that I've been loving lately. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge Face Spray. Guys, I love it. Basically just add some moisture to your face. I got this as, I think I got it for free in one of their, you buy a certain amount of money or a certain amount and then you get like their little gift packs for free. So that was included in there, and actually I love it because I do have dry skin, so it keeps my face moisturized throughout the day. I have a lot of receipts from Cles because I bought lots of socks, and it's one of my best friend's daughter's birthday, so got tons of gift receipts and the receipt. So I'll put that over there. I need those for later. A hair clip, just for, you know, sometimes you need to move your hair out of your face. Let's do it. There we go. And just a little compact mirror that I got from one of my friends that I purchased the bag from. This was like a little gift that she added into my shipping box. And my card holder. So this is my absolute favorite Louis Vuitton card holder. Well, actually card holder in general. It doesn't have any hardware. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards in there right now, and very comfortable, still nice and thin, no problems. So absolute favorite. All right, she is currently empty. So far this bag has done so well in terms of carrying, in terms of, like I said, I haven't sprayed her with any apple guard. I obviously don't wear, or what is it? Colonel. I haven't sprayed her with any Colonel, but obviously I don't purposely wear her when I have jeans on, so that, you know, I don't want any color transfer. So do I still love her? Still loving her. That color is still very, very gorgeous, and she packs a punch. So that's it for today's What's in My Bag. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please let me know if you use any of the little skinny pens that go in there. That would be really helpful. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Say hi, say hello. And if you like today's video, please make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is ILoveLux, ILVELUX. If you guys have any questions on today's video, I would love to answer them here or in Instagram. I'm very, very active there as well. Thank you guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.